I'm going to start with my cherry ripe today, and that's stacks. I love the stacking layered narrative of stacks being that layer 2 on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's had its move out of that $25,000 liquidity. It's now reflexively bouncing back to 26,000. It could go to 27, and before we maybe see some resistance. That's the positive view. But if we're looking at stacks, because it has consistently performed alongside Bitcoin and even outperformed it in recent times, I'm looking at it here seeing a very strong bullish divergence. It's had that similar bounce as Bitcoin, and now it's looking like it wants to challenge these upper moving averages and then the upper trend line there that I've drawn. So yeah, stacks are shaping up as absolutely my cherry ripe this week, and we'll see how it plays out. Let's shift on over to XRP. Now it's fully retraced from that SEC pump out a while ago. I think we spoke about it through here, but why it's still my danger zone is it just doesn't have that catalyst like Bitcoin and Ethereum does. And for me to get bullish on XRP again, I really want to see it recover this zone of control. You've got volume, you've got moving averages. Gets above that, yeah, she's probably moving back. But so far, what I'm seeing here is a normal head and shoulders pattern starting to develop. You've got the neckline, you've got the two shoulders looking very visible there. And the next real stop for XRP is probably this big liquidity zone that I see down here. So that's around the 40 cents area. So if we see that breakdown, that's where I'm seeing XRP going. Okay, Ethereum, my one to watch. Love looking at the lower risk spectrum in these altcoins when we see these modes of the market. I'm seeing pretty strong bullish divergence as we've seen. These divergences have not played out, but eventually they will break. And I'm looking at those lower risk options. Ethereum should have a pretty positive October, in my view, because of the Ethereum futures ETFs likely being launched in the US. Maybe spot, we'll see. That's still a bit unlikely, but if it does play out, fantastic. Again, you're seeing the price action just drop down. So all these candles getting weaker and weaker versus bullish momentum is actually increasing. So that's a real positive for me. It looks like things are about to flip on over. Ethereum, like XRP, just needs to recover that zone of control here where it broke down. If it can reclaim that, get above there, she's back. She's off to the races up above here and racing towards those volume areas.